In order to install an operating system to your computer, it is necessary to create a bootable medium. Besides the classic install via CD or DVD, there is an alternative, which is booting from a USB device. 3 components are needed to create a bootable USB medium. First, you need the image of the operating system that you want to install. For this tutorial, I chose Ubuntu, a popular and the most widely used Linux distribution. I downloaded the ISO file from the official website. Second, you need a USB device with enough storage space. I already got a USB stick ready to go. Third, you need a tool to get the image onto the USB device. The process is called flashing. In this case, we will use Balena Etcher, a free and open source program which works on many operating systems like Windows, macOS or Linux. Balena Etcher can be downloaded for free from the official website, either as a portable version or a full install version. I chose the full install version for Windows. A quick word of warning. Make sure to save everything that is on your USB device because the process of flashing will format the device, therefore deleting all data on it. When everything is ready, including you, it's time to run Balena Etcher. Open the program. On Windows, you might want to run it as an administrator. Etcher itself is pretty straightforward. The interface is very user-friendly and easy to navigate. First, you choose the ISO image, find it in your file manager and select it. Next, you need to tell the program which USB device you want to flash the image onto. If you have multiple devices plugged into your computer, be extra cautious to pick the correct one. Remember, the data on the chosen device will be deleted in the process. All that is left to do is click on Flash and sit back while Etcher does the job. Depending on the image size and your hardware, the process duration may vary. After the flashing is done, you technically could just skip the verification process. But this is quite a cool feature where Etcher will check the integrity of the newly created bootable medium. It is highly recommended not to skip it. It only takes a fraction of the flashing time and can save you from surprises later on. And that's it. You successfully created a bootable USB drive.